Hello, today we are at 78 Platinum Residency located along Oleshapara Road. My name is Sylvia Mwongeli, the interior designer, and today I'll be taking you through the construction progress. In the previous month, we were doing casting of the columns at the 10th floor. We finished that and we began works for the 11th floor. We did the formwork, steelwork, electrical and plumbing pointing for the 11th floor slab, and after all that was done, we did the casting of the 11th floor level. After casting the 11th floor level, we started working on the columns, that is the steelwork and formwork. Currently, we're doing the casting of the columns at the 11th floor. In the coming month, we'll be doing formwork, steelwork, electrical and plumbing pointing, and the casting of the 12th floor slab. This brings us to the end of this episode. See you next time.